How many pages have we done? We have done this page now. Now we have to start from page number 11. So, open page number 11. This one. Okay, they have shown you a diagram of microscope. You have to label it and also write the answers to the questions given below. Okay, so there are parts A, B, C, D. Okay, now I'm not seeing A, B parts. There are 5 labeling. You can use these labeling to label this diagram. Okay, now you can tell me. You can unmute, one of you can unmute yourself and can tell me what will be the A answer. One of you can unmute yourself. Yes, Nurul Iman, you can tell me. I have unmuted you.
Eyepiece lens.
Eyepiece. Okay. So A is eyepiece lens. So all of you can write eyepiece lens. Okay, what is B? Now next student can tell me. Yes, Rayan.
Objective lens.
Objective lens. Okay. Objective lens. Okay, what is part C? Start writing. Okay, Amna Muktaza, you can tell me. What is part C? Yes, Amna Muktaza, yes. Nurul Iman, you can tell me, okay, if you will.
Stage.
Stage, yes, it's stage. Okay, Fatma, you can tell me the next answer. What is D? Yes, Fatma. Yes, Fatma, I have unmuted you. You can tell me the answer. What is D? It is. Anyone else can answer me?
Fine and coarse focusing knob.
No, it's not focusing knob. It's not focusing knob. It's, you can see from the image, it is what? It is a mirror. Mirror. You can write mirror. Okay. Okay. What is E? Now I will ask. Yes, Mohammed bin Faisal. I have unmuted you. Now you can tell me what is E.
Mirror.
What is E?
Mirror.
I'm talking about E. Okay. E. That will be D. Mirror. Okay. What is E? Students, you have to keep your cameras on. Okay. Turn on your cameras, all of you. Okay. You have to turn on your cameras. Turn on your cameras. Okay, right. E is focus log. Okay. A is eyepiece lens. I'm repeating again for everyone to listen. A eyepiece lens, B objective lens, C stage, D mirror, and E focus log. So, all right. Okay, now coming to the next question. What are part A and B for? Who will answer me this question? Yes, Rian. Your hand is raised. You can answer.
To look through it.
Yes, we can look through it, and also there is one more purpose for it. Yes, Nurul Iman, you can tell me.
To magnify image.
To magnify the image. Yes, very good. To magnify the image. Okay. So you can write down the answer to magnify the image. Yes. Next student, answer me the next question. Ahmad Raza. Yes, I have unmuted you. Okay, now
Putting
you can answer. What is part C for?
putting the
Yes.
microscope slide on it.
Yes, so that we can put the slide on it. Yes, we can put the slide on it. Write the answer. Putting the microscope slide on. Just don't repeat the same answer. Try to answer it in your own words, okay? So, yes, Fatma, you can answer me the next question. What is part D for? What is part D? Mirror. And what is it for? Please, Fatma, you can tell me.
To the
Okay.
object.
Yes. Okay, I will tell you. It reflects light because it is mirror. So obviously mirror's function is reflection. It reflects the light, okay, and it focuses the image through the objective lens and then through the eyepiece lens. So its answer will be, write down answer. What is part D for? Write down its answer. Reflects light through the object. Reflects. Are you writing, all of you? Reflects light through the object and then through the lenses. Okay. Okay, I'm repeating once again. What are parts A and B for? Write the answer to magnify the image. What is part C for? Putting the microscope slide on. What is part D for? Reflects light through the object, जो कि मैं अभी बता रही थी आप लोगों को. Reflects light through the object and then through the lenses. Okay, what is part E for? E आपको पता है ना? ये डायग्राम में नजर नहीं आ रहा. लेकिन वैसे what is part E for? It is focus log. And what is it for? Now who will answer me this question? Yes, Abel Reza. I have unmuted you. And who else wants to answer? Okay, Ahmad Rahman. I have unmuted you. Yes, Ahmad Rahman. You can tell me the answer. part E for? G, are you listening? What is part E for? Okay, Fatma, you can answer. What is part E for? Okay. Anyone else can answer? Raise your hands. You can raise your hands when you want to answer. Okay, I will tell you. Write down the answer or adjust the objective lens. Write down the answer. Adjust the objective lens. Yes, who is raising hands? Rayan. Okay, you can tell me.
It is used to focus the image on the stage.
Yes. It is used to focus the image. Okay, on the stage, or you yes, and also through the we can also see through the eyepiece lens. Yes. So it is used for to and adjust the objective lens. So write down the answer, adjust the objective lens. Write down the answer, adjust the objective lens to focus the image. Adjust the objective lens to focus the image. Okay, now, next question. The microscope in the diagram has a extended eyepiece lens. What does this mean? Extend eyepiece lens का क्या मतलब है? Now raise your hands who want to answer. Yes, Amna Murtaza, you can answer.
It magnifies the image 10 times.
Yes, it magnifies the image 10 times. What is meant by extend? It magnifies the image 10 times. So you can write the answer, it magnifies the image 10 times. So it appears 10 times larger. Okay? Write down the answer, it magnifies the image 10 times. So it appears 10 times larger. Okay. What is the last question? What will be the total magnification of this microscope if extend objective lens is used? G, who wants to answer? Raise your hands. I have unmuted.
10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 100 times.
G, its total magnification will become 100 times. 10 multiplied by 10. Write down 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 100 times. Amna Murtuza, I will unmute you. Okay. There is a mute option at your screen. Just go to that option and click on it. Okay. J. Mohammed Momin.
Yeah, which one?
Which question? Which
5.
question? 5 question answer. It's 10 into 10 is equal to 100 times. Okay, have you understand all of you this page? Now we should move to the next page. Okay, now we should do the next page. This one, page number 12. Have you all completed the previous page? If any of you have left, then you can raise your hands and you can tell me if anyone is left. G. So now, yes, Mohammed Momin, Rayan, Imtisal, I have unmuted all of you. What is the problem? G, one by one. Yes, Mohammed Momin. G, students, hurry up. You are taking time. Yes, Imtisal. Imtisal, do you want to say something?
Teacher, my previous page 11 was left.
Your previous page was left. Okay,
Yes.
if we find time at the last of the class, then I can repeat it. Okay, I will repeat it. Now move to the next page. That is this one is page number 12. Okay, page number 12. Now draw a line between each number and its correct description. Yes, students. Now one by one you can tell me the answers. First is, okay, now what you have to do. Okay, 1 minute. What you have to do is you have to just look at this object. Like first, number 1 is written over this line. So what are they trying to say? Yes, Mohammed Momin, you can answer. And hurry up if you want to answer. Just
Teacher,
fast.
light from an object.
Number 1 is yes, good. Light from an object. Hurry up, match it, students. Light from an object. Number 1. Okay, next is Imtisal. Yes, you can answer. Second, what is second? What is the second one?
Cornea pupil.
क्या cornea pupil? Proper answer करें ना, उससे description देख के यहाँ से. Yes, Ahmed Raza. You can tell. Second का answer क्या होगा?
Light passes through the cornea, pupil, and the lens.
Yes, light passes through the cornea, pupil and lens. उन्होंने यहाँ पे दिखा रहे हैं ना, तो light क्या हो गई? Pass हो गई. Okay, number 3. Next student is Nurul Iman. Nurul Iman, you can answer my question. Number 3. What is number 3?
The rays strike the retina and set up signals in some of its nerve cells.
Very good. The light rays strike the retina. Yes, you can match it with light strikes the retina and stimulates nerve cell. Okay, number 4. What is number 4? What is number 4? You can see in your figures. Now Fatma Abdul Qudus want to answer. Yes, you can. Yes, Fatma. Hurry up. Fatma, not enough time. Yes, the last students, Heather Abbas, Mohammed Faisal, Rohan, you are not answering anything. Yes, Fatma, what are you saying? Yes, Rayan. You can answer.
4-1 is picture image on the retina is small and upside down.
Yes, good. So you can match it with picture. Any image on the retina is small. As you can see, now the parrot has become upside down, inverted. Okay, now five, which is the fifth one. Yes. Okay,
Can I
fifth one
tell?
is yes.
Teacher, can I tell?
Who is asking me? Raise your hand.
Okay.
Ahmed Raza. Is it Ahmed Raza or Mohammed Momin? Witness our hand. Okay, Mohammed Momin, I have unmuted you.
So number 5, nerve cells and send signals to the brain along the optic nerve.
Yes, nerve cells send signals to the brain along. So you have done matching, all of you.
Yes.
Now question number 2. Come to question number 2. Write down 2 ways in which the image on the retina differs from the distant object. Yes. Now we have to write 2 ways. Now who will tell me the answer to this question? Yes. Yes, Rohan. I have unmuted you, Rohan. Hurry up.
Teacher, write down 2 ways in which an image from retina different
Speak the
from the
answer.
distant. So what?
I'm saying answer it. Hurry up.
Teacher, first way is that when we see anything, the image pass in our brain, the nerve cell.
No, they are saying, they are asking you कि why the image on the retina differs from the object. इसमें और इसमें क्या फर्क है? एक तो साफ आपको नजर आना चाहिए. इसमें और इसमें क्या फर्क? What is the difference? Yes, Rayan, you can tell me.
The image on the retina is upside down from the object.
Yes, the image on the retina is upside down, and also one thing, it is smaller than the object. So you can write down 2 ways. In first line, write down the image is smaller than the object. Write it down. You can write in your own words as well. The image is smaller than the object. Secondly, you can write it is uh, inverted or upside down. Upside down or laterally inverted. They are inverted लिखने. Upside down or inverted. Okay. Now, second question is, hurry up, students. Okay, now who will answer me? This is quite. Okay, now next question, who will answer me? Light rays entering the
Teacher, second
eye
point क्या है?
must inverted, upside down or inverted. Light rays entering the eye must be focused to produce a clear image on the retina. Where does this happen? Yes, and yes, Rohan, you are already unmuted. Now you can answer.
Light rays entering from the eye must be focused to produce a clear image on the retina. Where does this happen? Teacher, this happens, I think, in the eye.
Which part of the eye they are asking? Yes, Rian. Which part they are asking? Where does this happen? Means we have to tell any
Um, Cornea, pupils, and lens.
cornea, pupil, and lens. Okay, when we have studied the structure of eye, we have studied about iris, the muscles of the iris, the muscles of the iris, they continuously like this one. These are the muscles of the iris. This one and this one. Now they continuously change shape to focus the on the object. So it means that light rays entering the retina, entering the eye, must be focused to produce a clear image on the retina. Where does this happen? It means it happens on the iris. So you will write down the iris. Write down the iris. Okay, which part of the eye? It's quite easy. Changes shape to enable the eye to focus on objects at different distances. Yes, which part? Yes, students, one moment you can tell me. I haven't muted you.
The lens.
The lens. Yes, you can write down the answer, the lens. Okay, now hurry up, students. Come to the next page. It's page number. It's page number 30. The last page of the work. Okay. So I will read you the question. What is the question? 1 minute. Okay, so the question is, Daniel and Tom were going to test how sensitive their skin was at different places on their bodies. They used bristles from a toothbrush for this experiment. Now they want to see that which area of their skin is more sensitive than other areas. I'm muting you till I want answers from you. Okay. So now they used bristles from a toothbrush for this experiment. Daniel sat with his eyes closed while Tom touched the back of his hand with bristles. Means मुझे toothbrush के bristles यानी जो parts नहीं होते उससे. Daniel was asked to say if he could feel bristles touching his skin. Tom did the test on other parts of Daniel's body. The results of his investigation are shown in the table. Means they want to check if their skin are sensitive or not by using bristles of the toothbrush. So now places on body है back of hand, fingertip, arm, palm of hand, palm किसको बोलते हैं हथेली को, and elbow. And the correct answers जो हैं वो कितने आए हैं? यानी back of hand पे 7, fingertip 10, arm 6, palm of hand 8, elbow 4. यानी सबसे ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव एरिया कौन सा हो गया? फिंगरटिप. So now अब हमने इसी टेबल को देखते हुए we need to answer these questions given below. Okay? So number 1, which place on the body tested is the most sensitive? Now who will answer me? Raise your hands. ये जो बाकी के students हैं, why you are not raising hands? Why you are not answering any? Yes, Heather. Now I am unmuting the last ones. I want answers from you. Heather Abbas, Mohammed bin Faisal. I unmuted you. You need to keep your cameras on as well. Neither of your cameras on. G, which place in the body is the most sensitive?
I.
fingertip. Fingertip.
G, fingertip. Yes.
Fingertip.
Write down the answer. Fingertip. It's fingertip. Yes, Heather. Least sensitive. What is least sensitive? Which areas? Just look at the table. Which area is the least sensitive? Yes, Rayan.
Elbow. Elbow.
Elbow.
Elbow.
It's elbow. Write down the answer. Elbow. Okay. What do the results tell you about the sensitivity of the skin? Yes. Yes, Abdul Rahman Malik. I am unmuting you. Yes, Abdul Rahman Malik. I have unmuted you. You can unmute yourself. Ji. What do the results tell you about the sensitivity of the skin? जी बताएं. Unmute yourself, hurry up. Yes, answer me now. Again, you have muted yourself. क्या कर रहे हैं आप? अनम्यूट करके अपने आप को म्यूट किए जा रहे हैं. दोबारा किए मैंने, अनम्यूट करें. हाँ. Answer the question. What do the results tell you about the sensitivity of the skin? Yes. क्या आंसर बताया? Yes, Rayan, you can tell me.
The table shows how much a part of a body is sensitive.
And not every part of the body is the same sensitive as compared to the other part. Okay, so you need to write the answer. It is not the same all over the body. It is not the same all over the body. Number 3, what does this suggest to you about the distance between nerve endings in the skin? अब क्योंकि हमने पढ़ा हुआ है ना कि nerve endings are basically nerve cells are basically responsible for carrying messages towards the brain. So it means कि what does this suggest to you about the distance between nerve endings on the skin? That they are not the same distance apart. Write down the answer. They are not the same distance apart all over the body. Write the answer of question number 3. They are not the same distance apart all over the body. Okay, they are not the same distance apart, A-P-A-R-T, apart all over the body. Okay, now number 4. This investigation is not very accurate. How could Daniel and Tom improve it? If we want to improve something, then what should we do? We should repeat it. So, answer लिखें इसका, repeat the test on more people. Repeat the test on more people. Repeat the test on more people. Okay. Now, which page were you asking, Imtisal? Is it page number 10? This page? You can see the answers from here and you can write down. Hurry up. Imtisal, you can see the answers from here. I think ये नजर तो आ रहे होंगे आपको. And you can write the answers. जो चीज नहीं समझ आ रही वो आप बेशक पूछ लें. Imtisal has asked me. Where is Imtisal? Yes, Mohammed Momin, what do you want to ask? Students, if there is any work incomplete before starting the new chapter, I want to listen from you that if there is any incomplete work, you can tell me. So that first we can complete that. One minute, I'm going to unmute all of you, okay? Unmute. Unmute. Unmute.
Teacher, please tell us 1, 2 question answers.
Ji?
Yeah, I don't know
Excuse
about
me.
this stuff.
Students,
me.
now I have unmuted all of you.
Excuse me, teacher. Excuse me.
Ye ji.
Teacher, I want to ask that page number 12, question number A, second part, write down third part, lens and light rays entering the eye must be focused to produce a clear image on
टीचर
retina.
मैंने क्वेश्चन 6 नहीं किया पेज 10 का
आप कर ले इसको देख के नजर जी क्या इसका ये वाला आंसर पूछना चाह रहे हैं इसका आंसर है दी आइरिस
कोरोना प्यूपल एंड लेंस नहीं
कॉर्निया तो बेसिकली लेयर है ठीक है और प्यूपिल जो है उसको कंट्रोल प्यूपिल होल है इन द मिडल ऑफ द आई उसको कंट्रोल आइरिस से करता है तो बेसिकली आइरिस है इसका
और टीचर ये फोर्थ
टीचर
पार्ट
मैंने ये वाला पेज नहीं किया
स्टूडेंट्स यू कैन जस्ट व्हिच पेज तो ये नजर आ तो रहा है इससे देख के आप कर लें इससे देख के कर ले टाइम खत्म हो गया
टीचर
जी
टीचर
यस मैं आपको सारों को अनम्यूट कर दूं तो फिर यही होता है मुझे एक की भी बात नहीं समझ में आती ये सामना व्हाट आर यू ट्राइंग टू से लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस हमारे रह गए हैं वो हम नेक्स्ट टाइम करेंगे ठीक है ये सामना व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से
टीचर
जी नूरुल ईमान